Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're reviewing the Arctic King. This is the 5.0 cubic feet freezer. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, as we open up the box, this is what we see. Nice protected. This is either the top or bottom. Should be the top. So you got all these little pieces in here. So they definitely pad it really nice. So the question will be how it looks. So see you guys in a bit. Alright, so off the bat we see there is a dent right in there. We take a look down here. Not sure what this stuff is. Over here we got a nice sized dent right on there. On this side it seems to be okay. So far I don't think there's any integrity issues to this. Alright, so we're taking a look at the back here. The back seems to be fine. The cable is in here, it looks like. So far the brace and everything seems to be alright. We're taking a look on this other side. At a quick glance, seems to be fine. So it doesn't look like there's any damage that would cause this thing to not work. So that's all that matters, you know. If you got a couple dents and bruises here, that doesn't really matter. What matters is the integrity, so if this actually works or not. So we're gonna set it up and test it out. So guys, for your cable, you pop this out and then you go ahead and place this back down for your plug. That's just inside here. All right, does the lid open? Here we go. All right, the lid opens great. Doesn't seem to be any damage from here. I don't see any puncture damage on the inside. So it should work. So guys, you get this basket inside here. Little top shelf there. Overall, so far pretty nice. You got a drain plug there if for any reason your power goes out. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. Here is a quick hack. If you take out your power cable before you set it up, just go ahead, open up the lid, place the power cable inside, close the lid, and that way the cord is not being dragged as you're lifting this to its final position. And yes, it is very lightweight, easy to be moved around. So guys, I do want to point out that I actually own another Arctic King, a smaller one. So let's see here. Here's our other Arctic King. It came beat up as well, but this one's been working for, I believe it's been 8 months, maybe a year. So this is it. I can hear it on. So one thing that a lot of people don't do that I recommend, leave the lid on for a while, because when you first get them, they kind of have a weird smell inside here. So I just recommend keeping the lid open. But yeah. We'll see how it works. Guys, we're coming to check on it. It's been a long time. All right, so as you guys can see here, it's frozen on the sides. So it is working, which is awesome. All right, guys, super happy.